Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the first question in exercise 7.10. So let's look at the first sum. So it is integral 2 to 3 x squared dx. So first let's integrate x squared dx. So we will be getting x cube by 3. Now I need to apply the limits 2 to 3. So now let's substitute the upper limit. So this is nothing but 3 cube by 3 minus the lower limit, which is 2 cube by 3. Now 3 cube is 27 divided by 3 is 9. So 9 minus 8 by 3. So if you take LCM, this is 27 minus 8 by 3, which is 19 by 3. So this is the answer for the first question. Now let's take up the second subdivision. So here it is integral between limits minus 1 to 1 x plus 1 dx. So first let's integrate x plus 1. So we will get x squared by 2 plus x. Now I need to apply the limits minus 1 to plus 1. So first let's always apply the upper limit for both the terms. So in this case x I'm going to replace with 1. So this is 1 squared by 2. So which is 1 by 2 plus 1 minus of the lower limit where I have to substitute the value of minus 1. Minus 1 the whole squared is 1. So this is again 1 by 2 plus x I am going to substitute minus 1. So this will become minus half. Now remove the bracket. So this is 1 by 2 plus 1 minus half plus 1. Minus of minus, so plus 1. Now the plus half and minus half I can cancel. So this is 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. So the value for the second question is 2. Now let's take up the third subdivision. Integrate 1 by x dx between the limits 2 to 3. So first let's integrate 1 by x dx. So integral of this is nothing but log x. Now you need to apply the limits between 2 to 3. So remember the rule is upper limit by lower limit. So this is going to be equal to log 3 minus log 2. And you have a property in logarithm, right? Log a minus log b is nothing but log of a by b. So in this case it is 3 by 2. So this is the answer for the third question, log of 3 by 2. In the next video, we will find the solution for the second question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.